It's crazy when I think about it, I mean, if I hadn't lived it myself, I probably wouldn't believe it. Less than a year ago, I was working in a cafe, earning just $1,600 per month. I felt like a complete failure. I mean, here I am, well educated, I have a college degree, and most of my bills are going unpaid. I have to choose between groceries and rent. I can't even afford to spend time with my son or my friends. It was embarrassing. I felt like I couldn't look my family in the eye. I couldn't even look myself in the eye. I was lost, confused, frustrated. I mean, is this really all that I'm capable of? Then I run across this ad on Facebook. A few months later, I find myself sitting in an audience in San Diego. David Wood slams his foot on the ground with tears in his eyes and says, "When you have a dream, nothing can stop it." And everything changed for me in that moment. I came home a different person. I got all in with the Empower Network. I got all in with my goals. I got all in with my life. I didn't know exactly how I was going to make it happen. I just knew that I was going to make it happen, and nothing and nobody was going to steal my dream. Here I am today, less than a year after getting started. I'm averaging over $500 per day. I'm only working part-time. I spend most mornings sitting on the beach. I get to spend more time with my friends and family and the people that I love. And most importantly, I feel alive again. I feel confident again. I feel like I can look myself in the eye and say, I did this. I did this. See, with Empower Network, I didn't just find great tools. I didn't just find a great company. I found a home. And the reason that I'm telling this story is to let people know your past does not define you. No matter your circumstances, if you can believe in yourself, you can make it happen. I am Kal Akhnai, and I am empowered.